was your only guy. On the second night that I went out with you, baby, you promised me that our love would never die. But what I don't understand is why, baby, you say anything you see and go and tell your friend that you don't have a thing to do with me. And what I don't understand is why, baby, you try to be so cool and stand around and look at me like I'm nothing but a fool. Yeah, you're just a young girl, that's all you are. You're nothing but a young girl, that's all you are. On the third night, I called you on the phone, and someone said that you were not at home, baby. On the fourth night, I came out to your place, and oh,